Good morning, students. Yesterday we studied the page number 1 of chapter 1, an uncomfortable bed. We studied that the author Mopsand have become restless as his friend made him the victim of a joke, and he said that he was fond of practical jokes, but he became restless as his friend pranked upon him. Now the last line of the second page is, and we studied from here. I moved with short steps. The author said that he moved with short steps in his room, carefully examining the room, and he carefully examining all the household things. Nothing, I inspected every article, one after the other, still nothing. He examined or inspected everything of his room, but he found nothing to be doubtful. I went over to the window. He went over the window, and he found that the large wooden shutter was open. He found that the shutter the wooden shutter was open there. I shut them with great care, and the author shut them carefully, and then drew the curtain. After that, he drew the curtain that were made of velvet, and placed a chair in front of them, and he placed a chair in front of it, as to have nothing to fear from outside, and he felt that there is no fear from the outside. Then I sat down cautiously. Cautiously means deliberately avoid the danger. And now he sat down freely. The armchair was solid, and he found that the armchair upon which he sat was solid. I didn't dare to get into the bed, but he had no courage to go to bed to sleep. However, the night was advancing, and now he said that the night is full of darkness. And I finally came to the conclusion, and he concluded that I was being foolish. He concluded that he became fooled by his friend. I was certain that my friends were spying on me, but he was quite sure about it that his friends were spying on him, waiting for the success of whatever joke they had prepared. And now they were waiting what was the result of the prank they had played upon him. अब वो ये इंतजार कर रहे थे उसके फ्रेंड्स कि जो उन्होंने प्रैंक उसके ऊपर किया है उसका रिजल्ट क्या रहता है. Now, but in that case, लेकिन उस स्थिति में they must have been laughing their heads off at my terror. But in the situation in which he had been, that he was not going to sleep, make him sure that the author was in terror. It means author ये कह रहा है कि जिस सिचुएशन में वो है कि वो अब सोने नहीं चाह रहा है, आर्म चेयर पर ही है, तो ये सिचुएशन जो है वो उसके फ्रेंड्स को ऐसा फील कराएगी कि वो अभी टेरर में है. Now I could not let them have so much fun at my expenses. I made up my mind to go to bed. Now he said that he couldn't let them. वो अपने फ्रेंड्स को ऐसा तो महसूस नहीं कराने देगा कि वो इस सिचुएशन में है और वो उस पर और जोक्स क्रिएट कर सके. I made up my mind to go to bed, and now the author dared to go to sleep. But the bed was particularly suspicious looking. Now he felt that the bed was looking very doubtful. I pulled at the curtains. He pulled the curtains. They seemed to be secure. अब उसने why he pulled the curtain? So that he felt that he was secure. All the same, there was tension. There must be, perhaps I was going to receive a cold shower from overhead. Now he felt that perhaps he may catch cold. or perhaps the moment I stretched myself out, I would find myself sitting to the floor with my mattress. Or perhaps now he is you can say guess about it that I stretch myself out. जैसे ही वो अपने आप को स्ट्रेच करेगा, I would find myself sinking to the floor. तो ऐसा लगेगा जैसे वो जमीन में सिंक हो रहा है, धंसता जा रहा है. I searched in my memory and he recalled his mind for all the practicals too, all the jokes that were pranked by his friends I had ever experienced, and I did not want to be caught. And he found that he thought that he never to be caught by his friends. Certainly not. निश्चित तौर पर नहीं, निश्चित. उसे मान लिया कि वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के द्वारा प्लान और नहीं. Then I suddenly thought of a precaution which could ensure my safety. Now he was certainly thought of precaution. अब उसने ये दिमाग में ले लिया कि वो अब थोड़ी सावधानी, केयरफुल हो जाएगा, सावधानी लेगा. Which could ensure his safety. जो that ensured him about his safety, जो उसकी सेफ्टी के लिए उसको ensure करते. I caught hold of the side of the mattress carefully. Then he pulled the side of the mattress carefully and very slowly drew it towards me. And slowly he drew it towards him. It came away followed by the sheet. And after that it was followed by sheet. बाद में sheet आया उसके पास. And the rest of the bedclothes. और उसके बाद में धीरे धीरे सारे bedclothes बिस्तर. I dragged all these objects into the very middle of the room. And slowly he dragged all the objects, all the things in the middle of the room. सारी चीजें middle में ले आया. Facing the door का सामना करते हुए. There at the same distance from the bedstead that I could not trust, and the corner which had filled me with such anxiety. There at some distance, और फिर कुछ distance पर from the bedstead. Bedstead is the structure or the frame of the bed. Bed का जो structure होता है या उसका frame होता है, that is. तो उस bed के structure से कुछ दूरी पर I could not trust the corner. But he thought that he could not trust at the corner. वो corner पर विश्वास नहीं कर सकता. Which had filled me with anxiety. जिसके कारण वो और भी worried हो जाए. He felt worried about. I made my bed all over again. Then he made his bed again as well as I could. जितना जल्दी वो कर सका कर दिया. Then I extinguished all the candles. Then he extinguished, बुझा देना. उसने फिर सारी जो कैंडल्स थी उनको extinguished कर दिया. And drooping my way to my newly made bed on the floor. And then he was drooping. Drooping means moving uncertainly. अनिश्चित तौर पर आगे की तरफ बढ़ना, किसी चीज को छूते हुए. In the darkness, just like अपन इस तरीके से जोड़ते हैं, that one. Then he drooping his way by newly bed on the floor. फिर फ्लोर पर बने हुए उसका जो नया बेड उसने क्रिएट किया है उसकी तरफ वो चला. Yes, today's chapter is here. Now you have to write down the word meaning in your notebooks, and it is your today's homework. It is your today's homework. Write down all the word meanings in your notebook.